laundry. Not yet finished the laundry, my God. May gulay. Wait. Laundry time. I'm getting ready to work on mountain again. Okay po. We'll build a bird house for the birds. For the birds. Yep, yep. Laundry time. Laundry day time. Before anything else, coffee time. Thank you sa likes. Thank you. 11 million in the house. My mom watching me. Everyone, like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Fred. Good morning. Oceans apart. The sea goes in. Whoa, wood. Limey. Wood. Nagulay. Wood. Coffee time. Tawag. Sana all pagbalik. Butter na kayo. Ha? Nanda. Hindi ko alam. Good. September coming soon. Yes, very soon. My God. Pretty sun. Baka magaling sa Philippines. Sorry, just busy. Busy sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much. Okay, I will come back. Gonna rain. Let me get started. Okay, thank you, Sir Fred. Coffee. Wait lang. Wait. A lot. Gulay. Nakasakay naman. Nakasakay. Kaya mo na, malapit naman na. Kunting tiis na lang. Hi. Omar, hello, how are you? I am from Bicol. Bicol. Yeah. Hi. Well, how? What it means? Question.
Saan?
Ay, dito ako sa liyo. Ay.
Ay, nabaldi. Magamit ka ba sa bibig taho? Pagkakaw ka na.
Okay, ano yung pamilya sa liyo? Okay. Saling niyo. Hanapin mo ako dito.
Ayaw, di ba? Ayaw din ang balde. Hindi mo yan, tita? Ayaw ya?
Oo, okay.
Ayaw, di ha? Ano ito na sa ng balde?
It's never in America. America. Nakalive ako.
Mauran. Pero mauran din doon.
Maupis na?
O sige na.
Obvious kasi.
Bye-bye. Maglinis doon ha.
Malilit na ako.
Maglinis-linis doon. Opisina na si Grace.
Itara ko na lang, ikan ba ako na biscuit.
ko na lang inikan bakra. Kasalo. Tama ka din ako. Tibes yun. Ito natin. Ay, ang kalo ko pala.
Kaya mo, maganda ka na. Ang ganda naman. Hasindera. Soon. Hindi naman talaga yatag sa mahal na Panginoon lahat. Kasi perfect family na kayo. Kung mayaman na kayo, paano na lang ang iba? Magtira naman kayo. Ubusin niyo lahat ang biyaya.
Sila yung nakasalo ng grasya. Ika din na ako. Daya na sa may bag ni As, dilibaga ha. Magaling yun ang lawas ng grasya. Pagpabais. Sabi ko, magaling ang lawas ng grasya. Buti pa pa, nakapiling ka ako ba?
Wala akong pinipin sa pagkain.
Naka-red na naman siya, wala tabo. Hindi ko mabasa.
Si Mother Earth.
Ha? Niya nanagas, doon na napon.
Vitamins.
Ano ko, purga.
Ay, purgang mo.
Purga, tas vitamins ka nila. Para sa raruan.
Pagpurga pa rin aga. Mga po.
Ama, ha?
Baliktad ka.
Pagpurga.
Oo.
Di kito ano.
Hindi mo ito purgang naman ka.
Dagan ng bahaw. Dagan ng bahaw. Hindi kung pupurga mo ba ito niya, masasayang ito na babad kahapon nga.
Oo,
Yung para sarap na tabo. Kaya pag-imod ka ng habo magkaon, pagkadag ko ng sarap ng tabo.
Nagkaon na.
Ano niya?
Wala pa niyang pagkaon.
Hindi, babawagan ko pala.
Pero ang dinahog mo kahapon, wala na.
Kada pa. Kahit di man yan naubos, di ba yung busog kong parte yan, di pa magkara.
Ay daw, bali na lason.
Ito ako sa kanila pa, vitamins. Tapos, water.
watching. Good morning, beautiful lady. Hi, Sunny. Hey, Sunny. Thank you so likes.
Ano, minsan natin Philippines.
Philippines.
Ito na lang ang pamakawan. Ang pamakawan mamay, pasok na. Sabi ko, pasok na ako. Ayun, may wala pa nga sumakakao. Di ba nagkakaraan mo ito dyan? Sabi ko, magsudak ko tapos mo. Magsudak ko tapos mo.
Ano nang pinamahawa mo?
Wala.
May nagtitinda dito minsan ang ano.
vitamin complex. Mas kinaga ng pagkaon. Okay? Wala na. Complex lang yung nalulog. Nakakaroon si Brad, dito ko nang makapos na. Sa dito. Ay, yun, ang dami na. Dapat yung Brad ko na nakagulor na yun dyan. Parang tado.
Yung mga ilaw dito. Ilawan.
Kaya yun. Yun lang.
Ang ganda to.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the likes.
Oh, Linik.
Good morning everyone.
Ang binimo niya na sa rumah na tigaw na bitago mo. Parang bago din.
want you to know. I want you to hear us sing. Stel? Ikaw sa tunog ka na? Kaligkat? Kado na? Ulang ka na? Alright guys, ilagay na natin sa saucepan ko. Then yung 1 sisters.
Chard.
Pasok, Gab. Wala na, kanina pa. Wala. Ha? Mulan. Sa amin, mainit yun. Mainit. Mainit. Oo. Pasok, Gab. Mamaya. Mamaya na pag ano na kagab tangkal. Mamaya na pag ang pagdating ng kagab. Pagdating na ni Gab. Pagdating na lang ni Gab. Ha? May ano? Ayun, wala man. Wala man kami nakuha. Wala man kami nakuha. Oo.
Siguro siya, ang galing niyang gumiling.
Ano ba birthday niya? Wala kami nakuha. Wala.
Thank you so much, Sir Dwayne, Sir Marcos, hello. Thank you sa gift.
Wala.
Young lady, always good to see you. Hello, Fred. From Sir Dwayne. Thank you so Sparkle. Thank you so Star. Thank you, Sir Marcos. Have a nice day. God bless.
Wala nga. Wala. Yung plastic na bag.
Thank you. Plastic na ba? Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you sa likes.
Wala.
I know when it's been on your mind, the distance is in your...
Oo, nga, oh. Hindi, wala. Mainit. Mainit.
Ay, saan sa mga mga may mag-ato mo?
What?
At saan sa mga may mag-ato? Ayan na ba?
Oo, mamaya na.
Nakaho ka talaga? Pag mapakaroon ka ng kahapon.
Wala. Mamaya na lang. Wala. Oh, mamaya na kahit ano. Oh. Tingnan ko na lang. Oo, sige. Oo. Oo, sige. Ingat. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hmm.
Ano yung tamba?
Ganito.
Wala ka nakamot. Hindi yun.
Sisters, already cook your pancit canton.
Yan ko. Nanong gusto mo sa libon?
Sabi ko, ang bigat. Magbukat pala yun. Nabit-bit mo kang
Kaya mo
hapon.
na, mag-aapang mo.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, dito man lang nag-ano, nakaupod.
Bago na nag-ako. Bago na nalilit na tulog na yung pabakpan. Bago ko kaya na ako ng tulog ko kaya balik pa pala na ako kan. Ang bulada ng paray. Bago talaga bago. Kaya nito talaga ang gusto ko. Sila itong nakawak ng itong. Tapos sa ako yun kung mak na yun. Okay lang.
Sarap.
Ano anak? May sila. May sila yun.
Siya? Baby, hindi ko na. Mahal ko siya kahit inaang ko.
Sheryl! Kana naman ako, kailangan lalangaw na yan. Hello guys! Hindi ko naman, hindi ako maaraw. Yan no, di ko man rin nababasa. Maskiran yan ko.
Alin?
Hindi ko nababasa.
Oo.
Mali, di ba? Nabasa mo ba?
Basa ko.
Ha?
Basa ko.
Basa mo. Nasa diri.
Bukan kong pagali, oh.
Ay,
Ito ang isa.
ayan, yung ilang kayo sa diyo.
Live?
Wala talaga yun. Ay. Ito yung
Lahat pa sa ito nakain. Gamit ko.
hindi mo skipon. Aga ka kakakon mo.
Ang sa una, nahalik ko pa. Ano ba?
Marami pa sa mamay ka. Walang binakal sa
Hindi kami kasi tayo sa kuya tumaklo.
mamay ko ang binakal mo sunog, gatas mo na lang. Magkano yun? 1 plus. O ang gatas mo 1 plus. Diba?
Mamano kayo.
Sherry!
Coffee.
Tama,
Saka-
tama na yun.
Sinapay.
Masarap pati ako eh. Kasi kapon sa amin doon.
Pagkakaon po da. Sabi ko yun, hindi ko man nababasa na yun mo. Okay.
Baby, kotik mo.
Hindi ko nababasa, pasensya na.
Wala, rabbit.
Cheryl, it's so nice to see all the smiling faces. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Hello, Sir Scotty Mitchell. Hi, good morning, Sir Scotty. Congratulations, you nailed it. Thanks for your attention. Welcome. Hi, Sir Jerry. Oh my God, it's a very long time. You finally meet your Filipina. So nice to see all the smiling faces. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Hello, my beautiful dark skin family. Dark skin.
Beautiful dark.
My beautiful dark skin family. Are you married yet? Not yet, but getting married soon. Pretty soon. Let's eat. Hello, my beautiful dark skin family.
Ah,
My beautiful dark skin family. Thank you. Not yet married, Sir Jerry. But pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow. Charot. Joke.
Ang bilis na ang araw.
Hmm.
Ang lapit lang po.
Ano? Anong araw? Ano ang pizza ngayon? Ha? Site?
30.
30.
Wednesday ngayon ba?
Hindi. Awins, di ba? Hindi. Martes ngayon. September yan. September yan. Ha?
Ay, September.
kapo.
Sure, I just so happen to know who's gonna be best man at the wedding, lul. Here in the Philippines and different on the because we have 2 times wedding. We are getting married in here, the Philippines, and over there in US.
Ah,
Something like that. The best man is funny. The funny one.
Ito na lang ang kasal sa planggana na maliit.
sige nga.
Thank you sa like. Meet my family, beautiful sister. Her son. Tama. Ako ito sa kuha. Congratulations, leaders. Bon appetit. Those typical foods are delicious. Are they? Well done. Yes. The food is delicious like me.
Hindi ko naman na nakaangkay.
Like,
Char. The weather here is hot like me. Aray. Na overconfident na. Also even the hat is still beautiful. Thank you.
Mapailawat ka na kuya. Maharang pala siya.
Hot.
Hindi na pa mo, ano, mahabang. Gusto ko maharang pero nanganaan pala to.
Dadaranggan. Ang luwas na niya nila ba niya? Pero I mean, ang luwas na niya ano? Paralay pa yun. Ha?
Ay magagamit ka na
Ah.
nahanap ko sa upuan. Impirilian na.
Pero nakapalaypay sa luwas na. Kaya para pag palaypay ka, pag marako naman. Pakalabak ko. Ikaw mo naman.
Gamit ko.
Kaya nga, halawi ka din yun, hali.
Puro ako dun sa ano, bigdaan nila.
Parang ano na.
Harali ko na.
Dapat sila na.
Ah?
Bayan. Iharatag mo ibang.
Kaya nga ni, namili na nga ni ako.
Ah?
Dapat pagka-istilahan mo ng mga bata. Bago talaga siya yung tingin.
Ang naaguyan ko ito na sa'yo. Kaya sabi ko ba, na-eskwila ka. Kaya ka nag-eskwila. Dili ka pa maaral. Maaral ka na magbasa. Para siguro na pag-iiwanan ka sa
Parang oo.
Kaya parang nawawala ka na mag-aral. Kasi marunong na ang classmate niya.
Kulang siya sa confidence.
Sabi ko, mag-eskwila ka na mo. Sabi niya, tuturuan ka ni mama mo. Tapos inaputin na siya. Ito lang ka ni mama mo. Hindi. Pero maaram na ka mo. Ako maaram na ako. Siya di pa. Sabi ko, ito na lang magtukok.
Mystic Mirage, hi, good morning. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Kasi na yun, bilang ko na yun yung best mo. Kasi doon ang katawa. Dapat ang sabi. Hindi ka pwede magkano. Kung ang sarawara hilig sa bata, dapat ang sayo. Sama sila, pareha sila, match eh.
Matatapos na si Ilay sa ano niya. Hanggang pauno na lang daw.
Sa tupad.
Naupod-upod na ako pa ilawin.
Pag-abot siya dito, matrabaho namin sa pasakay. Kaya hindi panilag ang pasakay nila. Inong lag sila. Ngayon, diba? San Domingo. Si Pigya, ano tawag niya? Ano mag-inog dito?
Ay, pagkakapagsabihan ako.
Nirilo ko na yung ako tatapos sa trabaho. Nakatingin sa trabaho. Marain. Kasaan ka kung nakatrabaho?
Maano ko lang. Ano po sabihan ko na ano? Hindi ka totoo tama.
Oh, Brazil loves you, dear friends. You are very intelligent. Okay, thank you so much. I'm smart.
Kaya po ano? Ang iin, ang estudyante nagdada ko ang gastos. Niyan, okay pa yan. Pero pag nag-ano na ako, sabihan ko nga ulit sa iyo. May eskwela ko na lang.
Okay, ako na. Ano sa ako na? Hindi sila. Palagi na naman.
Sabi ko ka,
Hi Shannon. Meet my sister from Taiwan. She's working in Taiwan. Yes, I'm feel better. I feel good. Hello, sister.
Hello. Hi.
I'm happy that you are feeling better. Yes po. Ano pala yung hindi kulay pala mo na kami sa mga.
Laban mo.
I'm happy that you are feeling better. Thank you, Shannon. That was the funeral more than 2 weeks. More than 2 weeks. Ha? More than 2 weeks. Ano, pamulong sa tapo.
Tapos 20. Oh.
More than 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks.
Impamunay ka bunso ni Papa. Impamunay ka.
Oo, da.
Masabi si Papa, wala ka pang manan. Isang Papa, Ngayon siya na ako nakaturo. Di mo makaturo.
Wow, like the same in many countries. Among people go a month when they are in Thailand. Oh wow. Now they are 4 days and so expensive. Yes, expensive. Very expensive.
Paano natawag ko yun? Makakaw ka lang Marisa.
Marisa.
Buso ko na.
Sino Marisa?
Pinalangan.
Banyalang
Baldirama. May lang ka kung dito.
Nagatinawaan ako, mapa-English mo. Never. Oh. We have to buy mini cows, pig, chicken. Oh my god. Cows? No cows. Can't afford the cows. Maybe pig and chicken. Hayo English good. Someone say here like this teasing. Someone teasing her that she said speak English. She said, "Yo, you never speak me in English, never." Something like that. So that's why he laughed because she already speak English.
Hindi talaga ako mapa-English.
Talaga ako never. Kasan ano pa niya? Sino tinitiniwa? Very ano, nakatinga na. Sabi ko, may gana katuro tinawa niya. Seryoso yun sa buhay. Marisa. May manong din nga, hindi tinawa na. Pagtatapong ko na yan. Ako? Nangis ka. Ako? Hindi ko siya malimutan.
Sabi sa mga taga-dilin, pag napakata tayo iniilan sa ilong, daan isan ka magkamaramang buhay, kami na maghirira.
Paano siya mga ira? Na maghirira, na magrelibakan.
Daan isan ka mo kay ano, natinawa na lang kami. Kaya punang kami nila, ilang
People mean sometimes like bully boy. Yes, sometimes like mean that your sister go back to work. Yes. After 40 days, she going back to work. She's going back to work. She's going Manila after 40 days. The 40 days is July 16. Maybe she going Manila July 31. Hi, Kas! Manay ba si Charity? Ito yung dyan sa ano.
hello!
Hello! Kumusta ka dyan?
Kumusta?
Si Shannon, sa Amerikana yan, si Shannon. American friend, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you. She made or nanny. She's a caretaker. Caregiver. She's a caregiver. At work, I just did a CR, so I picked. Okay. Yes. Si Charity, nasa trabaho. Ingat ka dyan, insan. Ingat lagi. Stay pretty. Yes, for elderly, Shannon. Caregiver for elderly. Maybe almost 10 years. Yes, very hardworking because she needs to something like that to give the foods like for pee, something like that. I did it, couldn't anymore. My sister, she's a very hardworking. As she support her family. Good morning po. Good morning. Thank you so much. You too. Take care. Gonna go back to work. Thank you, Insan. God bless always. Ingat lagi. Ingat. She can come to USA and make. Maybe if she have a employer, she will come there in USA and find the work. But it's really difficult to work there in US. Maybe if she have a make, yes, more money. I told Mike I want to work in US, but I think she wants he wants to stay here in in he wants to stay here in the Philippines or some visiting there. Some thank you so much. Always welcome. Thank you so much, Shannon and my cousin. Shannon, just Charity, she's my cousin. She's living in America also. Working there in America. Yes, he wants to stay in your country. UEC is not always yes, something like that. She said. Even earn more money, life there in UEC is terrible. You come here cause I will refer you to my company wherever in the state. Talaga, o sige, punta na ako dyan.
Ano daw?
Back for a few minutes. Hello, Jessie. Yes, my cousin. She's my
Pag wala
cousin.
natupad sila, makapagsugod na ako pa ilang.
Back for a few minutes.
Tapos ang baba.
I like your dress. Thank you, Sir Marco. Gusto ko muna yung ambado ko. He wants to stay with you and he wants to come to USA. Yes, we're visiting there. So we choose me and Mike. We choose a happy life. No worries. I will support my future. She looks good in anything she wears. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you so much. Happy wife, happy life. Yes, happy wife. Happy wife, happy life. Hey, Shannon from Sir Fred. Hello, brothers. Been a while. Yeah, that is so very true. Happy wife, happy life. I've been married 40 years. Lolo. Yes. And ever you came here, I can refer you to dialysis. You studied for 1 year, but you already have salary from the start you study. Talaga? Wow! Ganda naman. Are you well? The stars look good. Sir Fred from Shannon.
Good feeding. Maganda ya? Good feeding siya ng bro.
Ngayon, baga ko nung sana lang.
Yes, Shang. Thanks and you.
Sa Negros. Kami yung friend na Dubai. Kaya natin naman.
Medyo. Ako din.
Dialysis for 1 year. Oh my God. For 1 year. Study for 1 year. Study. I am tired to take care of the baby. Maybe for me and Mike, maybe we're choosing like even a simple life. At least be happy together. I'm we already talk about the little grandma. The grandma. Me already grandma. And Mike already the grandpa, my gulay. Laundry time. Thanks, Awesome Charity. Hey, Dwayne from Sir Fred. Yes, grandma, and this last weekend been difficult because everything is going wrong with his work. Oh my God. Yes, our company is the one provide the school, and while you're studying, you already have a salary. It's good. Oh my God, that's pretty good. Yes, Bonma, it's a nice company to provide the study. Wow, pretty good. My next life, I will be a surgeon. Sabi ni Shannon, my next life, I will be a surgeon. For me, my next life, I will be a... what should I do? Go ahead on that one. From my cousin. My next life, I will be down and he will looking all the bikinis. Oh my God.
Kuya, mapabungto kita.
I love medical, so I feel that I can help. On my next life. Ay! Wow, libre ya?
Hindi na ako hindi libre. Ako libre.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
Ano ka sa masakit, tita?
Ito
Ay, sa silahan mo ba?
My next life, I will be a successful business, something like that. Because I'm volunteer here, so I will help my community here. Most the very poor people. Why do you want to look up? That will be paradise when
Palit. Pa-right.
Sabi ko nga bago pa ito, hindi na lang nagpaupos.
Ano mo yun, nabuhat? Sinaba ko mo?
sinabak niya. Sinabak niya ba daw? Kaya kung madugang ka, si Papay bagay dito na ka. Na ano si pag-irig niya, aw!
sabi niya sa ako, may katuon lang po, no? May katuon lang ngaya.
Naman lang baga talaga. Doon lang ako sa luwas. Abot niya ito.
I feel you.
Maranaman na. Maranaman naman yan talaga. Doon lang ako sa luwas.
Hi, Sir Derek. Fred got joke. Huh? Look up under all the skirt, Shannon. Oh my God. Share with me, please. until he see the hard one. Oh my God. Okay, Insan, start to work now. If in case you guys change your mind, I can help you find a job here. Okay, thank you, my cousin. Maybe something like that. Thank you, God bless.
Baby mo lang pila.
I don't mind hairy Shannon as long as there is a path. There's always a path. It's wet.
Malipat si Lipro sa anak.
Oh? Sorry, cousin. We talk stupid sometimes. Oh, yes. Yes. It's okay. My cousin is she's living in the America, so she will open-minded about that, like me. Charot. Minsan pa nun, mga Amerikana nag-restoryan sa mga ano, pero normal lang yun. Minsan na adapt ko na.
Normal lang naman yun. Ang mga Pilipino lang naman.
Makikitid. O Charis.
Fred, doon sa ano? Doon sa ano? Para ka ang mga pasyente dito. Kaya na mag-ipon. Wala na. Walang kami.
Siyempre, paano man pa rin sa lalaki?
Mga gura, mga gura.
Kasi, pag kay puhan na ramara,
Hindi kayo. Masalsal na. Parang wala na. Kasi natural na.
normal lang sa kanila.
Normal na. Kaya pag nakaimod kami. Pero pag di mag-istorya ka mga sabi niya.
Mas Slip, slide, and away, Shannon. And I'm in Minnesota. Oh, Charity is Chicago. Yes, Illinois. My cousin living in Illinois, Chicago. She town. Yep. Yes, Fred. Windy City. Windy City. You're fine po naman. I used to it.
Hindi ka mabakal. Hindi ka bungkot. Ano mo bakalon mo? Parang irugsid ako dun sa ano?
Illinois is a huge, but Chicago is
Sa-
completely
parang
different
sa
place
Galita.
from me. Okay, I've been there thousands of times. From Sir Fred. I wanna go to Minnesota Mall of America.
Alif, Faraj, Splash, Smack.
Anyone says they go to Chicago, I get scared. Why?
Ano na ako?
Oh yes, the MOA, it's nice. What means MOA?
Tapos kasama mo yung Dilio. Oh.
No need to be scared, China. It's just like any other big town, city. Some parts are bad, but Illinois and Chicago are big. Oh, wow. MOA, Mall of America. Akala ko Mall of Asia. Have MOA here, Mall of Asia, but there, Mall of America. Well, Chicago is known for lots of gangs. Oh my God. Need to be careful. Mall of Asia in the Philippines, and I think it's bigger the Mall of America. I'm happy to stay in my area. So it's Los Angeles and New York. Yeah. I'm okay, Jumari. Karonan. I'm fine. Yes, indeed, Bonamai, but you just need to pick the good place. I'm watching a while. What are you doing? I'm talking to you guys by eating this one. The owners of Mall of America thought they're gonna make the biggest mall in the world. Philippines beat them, yes. Mall of Asia here in the Philippines is very huge, very big. I'm about to leave. Okay, bye-bye. Jomari, bye. Delicious. A lot of mall in the Philippines is bigger than Mall of America. Huh? It seems like you enjoy it. Fred, I will be back in about 30 minutes. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Okay, Dwayne. And yet, we all still have homeless, rabid, animal, etc. Oh my God. Gonna practice your scooter, Cheryl, later. After Kwan. After laundry. Pack yourself, Jumari. You must be a good girl, Shannon. Fred, my husband, My husband buy me a new truck. Oh my God. Wow. Congrats, Shannon. What kind? What kind of new truck?
Panet.
Sana all. Mapakaling ka mo, maano ka mo?
Mabakalo kasi pangsapin doon mo kay tinapok ko.
Ha?
Huwag ka mag-alala, ibabalik ko, tinago ko lang. Ay, yada, tinabi ko muna.
Pawit. Pawit.
No, he's bad. That's why he buy. Oh, ha? Congrats. 2024 Toyota Tread. Hi, my love, Mike. Hi, Mike. Maybe I should be bad. My wife will buy big motorcycle. Huh? Maybe I should be bad. My wife will buy. Hello, husband to Sheryl. Hi, Mike from Sir Fred. Hi, Mike from Shannon. Mike, good to see you, my friend. I'll be back in just a little bit. Hello, everyone. Just woke up from late afternoon nap. Hope you rest, my love. I love you, my love. Mike, I took a nap too.
Mga ayos pa po.
Miss you. Me, I took a nap too. It's hot as shades here. Hot as shade.
Ayaw po ate, baka may mga sirang-sipon na po.
Wala.
Para kayo.
Raman.
Mga sing-sing na po tol.
Wala. Wala alahas. Ito lang. Hindi pa original.
Mahal pati sana ng bilihan namin.
Oh, wala ngayon.
4,000 ang gram.
Wala.
Mga old coins, dollar po.
Wala.
Wala din. Sige, thank you.
Salamat. Mike, my friend, it's so good to see you. Mike, read your WhatsApp messages. Why? What happened? Woke up, use or CR, then get nice relaxing shower. Okay. Nice relaxing shower. Hey Dwayne, I don't know if I know you from Shannon. Mike. Fred always want to talk. Bonamai, it's a very nice to meet you. I'm Shannon, yes. Sir Dwayne, Bonamai, her name is Shannon. Hey Dwayne, how are you? And Pam. Had nothing to do with talking, Shana. It was warning of someone. Huh? Warning of someone? It was warning of someone? What happened? Shannon, lol, good to meet you. I'm from USA, but I'm sure you already got the gist. Huh? Shannon is crazy. Like us twins. Mike and my friend Mama Turtles had a few things in the past week going on. Other than that, we're doing good. Thank you. Why can't people just live well alone, Fred? Shannon, can I borrow your new truck? Mike will tell you, Cheryl. How? What? Why? What happened? It's a bad news. Good news. What? Come here, Mike. Ticket. Marco the bomb. Okay, I gotta take my dog to a short walk. I'll be back in just a little bit, you guys. Cheryl, chick. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh my God. No, not Kiki again. Good evening, Shara. Good evening. Pray got it covered. No problem. No problem. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, my love. Why can people just mind their own business? What is STFO? Mind their own business. Yeah, I figured that. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, guys. Thank you for protecting me, loving me. Thank you, Shannon. Yeah, still shut the. Oh my God. Cheryl started shines. Ah, thank you, Marka Dubam. Shut the fuck up. Oh my God. Shannon, I'll pick up the track next week. Promise I won't tweak it so much. Yeah, like shut up. Hala, mind your own business. Hala, ba't ganon? Hala. Oh my God. Get that trash. People so stupid. So yeah, something like that. Yes. Yes po, Shannon. Oh my God. Need to be careful. Fred kids. Shannon, when it comes to people trying to prey on kids, I want Steve Lula for even. Sorry. Her nieces, kids. Huh? I found the love. No, not you, Fred. I will attack at all costs. I was. Huh? Really? Was rape? Huh? Oh my God. Fred, I sold some more things yesterday. Made $1,700. Still have a lot more to go, but it's still looking good so far. Oh my God. Mike is rich. Okay, charge. Change subject, it's taken care of. And my daughter is where to. Oh, really? Oh my God. Hey, that's a great mic. Cheryl shines with a natural glow without makeup or artifice. Congratulations. Ah, thank you, Marco Dubam. Thank you so much in subject. Need to make a lot money so I can afford to feed. Suki. So I can afford to feed Cheryl. Me, I eat everything. Even but you can eat that everything. My God. Dried fish, something. What are you selling? Maybe Mike, maybe Shannon buy or something like she's selling. Same Fred. Now you see why I'm against it, Shannon. I hate them kind of people. Me too. I hate them. Lol Mike, like she ate a lot. Not just to afford Cheryl's food, but my bear also. Cheryl's not arrogant. Thank you, Mark Dubam. No need to arrogant. She need chicken, some beef. Yes. Nope, she's not. Yep. Arrogant means stuck up better than anyone. Shannon still have my 2018 Harley to sell. Only 1,400 miles on it. Also, some furniture's hobby things to sell. Last will be my Chibi S10 4x4 pickup. Sure, getting more excited every day that is gone. Oh my god. The Harley should go easy on. Big, I'm big. Oh my god. My muscle is big. Look. You want my muscle? Cardex. Maybe you want my muscle. May muscle ako. Kabubuhat na pasakay na. Maybe you want my muscle. You will sell it all, Mike. Yeah. My biggest, my muscle. Look. So don't underestimate. I have no muscles, lol. Me, I have a muscle. So, you know what? When I'm a kid, I punch my classmates boy. Even in high school, I miss some like that. Shannon, the Harley been on marketplace almost 2 months. No interest yet. Michael. Patience, Mike. Yes. Patience like me. I'm patience. 2.5 months more. Are you close to Harley store? Summer is coming. Excuse me. For me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Light found. Try to post on Facebook all over. If someone wants, they will pay to have it shipped. Ship. Beautiful and sweet. Shannon, yes, but of course they want to make huge profit and give me peanuts. Huh? Peanuts? Huh? What it means? Peanuts. Marca do Bomb, hi. Peanuts means little money. Okay. Peanuts means little money. Oh my god. Fuck peanuts. Now I know. Peanuts, little money. Peanuts means almost nothing. Dress charming. Huh? What? Tikita. Hello. Thank you, Shannon. Pilitin. Ups FB. I need more money or else Cheryl and I will be living in a tent with air conditioning. Maybe we're living at the farm, like a small, I don't know what it's called. Just a small, but it's fine. We plant vegetable, so that's why we don't need to feel hungry. We we trigger the roster. We're having a fishing, a tent with air condition, no worries. Yeah. Stella saucy. You, I take care of that. I'm not single. Look, I'm not single. Look. I'm married. Her husband is 96. We eat the damn roaster. Yes, we don't feel hungry because we have a roaster, fishing the ponds at the farm. We pick the vegetable there. She had a white person last name. Yes, he's old. Someday I need to write that roster. Yes, no worries about the me. I used to live like about the food because I can eat like dried fish, like when nothing. The important is we have a rice. Dinner cast. Thank you, Insan. Thank you so much. Now can't eat the rooster. Still needs to make eggs babies. Need more roster. Alfonso. Maybe my love will come back someday.
Only.
Only heaven knows.
Bigla, ano?
And maybe I have to find it a way. Yes, my sweet rice is life. Rice is life here. No, even if the coffee, rice with coffee is food, already food. I'm worried about Mike because I know he can't eat that. I think I think he can survive that coffee and rice with coffee. If veggies, little meat, and rice can make a whole week. Yes, that's right. She has a pigs to eat too. Yes, we have a pigs. We can the pigs for the whole month. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only have. Don't let Mike eat too much rice. Ah, yes. Maybe brown rice can last longer than a month. Yes. Me, I'm not the rice, just a small amount of rice, and then the maybe Mike needs a healthy food because rice is more carbohydrate, sugar. So that's well, we have a freezer, so it's different. Needs to a healthy lifestyle. Maybe more veggie, brown and fried rice is good. Yeah, because rice is more carbohydrate and sugar. My God. Maybe Mike, when he come here, no more soda, more walking, needs sweating. No need exercise a lot, but sweating is good for the body. It removes the toxins inside our body, something like that. Healthy lifestyle is better, and healthy foods. Less bread also. Yep. Maybe my love will come back. Yes, more VG as long as he had his medicine. Yeah. Me and Sheryl will go eat all Fred's food. Then the yes, Mike. We visiting sometimes Sir Fred, and we feel hungry in a whole week, something like that. And we visiting Sir Fred home. Then we eat Sir Fred food from his storage. My God. Drink and eat like a pig. That's fine, Mike. I got my big refrigerator bag. And my Mike, yes, go mixing and eat barbecue. Yes. No need to eat for the 1 week. Then we need to feel too much hungry. Then we eat a lot. Serve friends food. My God. Then I can see both your skinny legs. My skin is soft because maybe the soap I use. So maybe it's ready for Mike. You guys are very like family to me. The steps are done, so Mike might be able to climb the top. Ah, that's good. Oh my God. I'm excited going there, Sir Fred. Maybe my love will come back someday. I need to hang the. Oh my God, already done the. Oh my God. Wait. Wait lang. Where? Sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna busy. I'm gonna busy. Wait lang. Okay, need to finish doing. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sir Fred. Because I need to finish the one. The laundry. Wait. God. Okay, Fred, be careful moving or what you're doing. Fred, always good to see you, my friend. Take care from Sir Dwayne. Dwayne, we have another heat wave here. Going up to one unbelievable weather. Oh my God. Mike, yeah, we've got the same heat. Be careful moving. Thank you for watching. Nagdugo ka. Through the years. Thank you sa likes. Oh my God. Man.
Ikaw na, Steph.
Di pa man. Hindi mo kaya niya. Wow. Understanding. And then she asked me. Busy day. Sorry, my love. Wait, I will call you. Wait for a while. I feel one. fall because I feel love. Wait a minute.
Bakit kasi sila siya?
That's for friends of ours. Keep smiling. Wait lang. Wait. Still busy. Busy for a while. Busy day. Hi, Sir Nathan. Thank you, my love. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining if you are new here. Thank you, Sir Nathan. Thank you, my hubby. Hello, Sir Nathan. Ah,